Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. Apologies for the past couple of days. I haven't been posting many videos. For those who've been following my channel for some time and watched my videos last week, you'll know that's because I was in Thailand on a holiday. I did try and post out a few videos whilst I was over there, but of course with the time difference it was very difficult, and my daily schedules was really busy as well. But good news is that I'm back and I will be posting videos as per usual. Just before I start today's video as well, I just want to remind you that you can join my Signal team for a very small fee of $29.99 by visiting my website dailymarketmovements.com and clicking on subscribe. I've left that website link in the description of today's video, so go and check it out. But let's talk about the NASDAQ 100. Whilst I have been away over the past 7 days, it's just been a bloodbath here for the NASDAQ 100, and I think it was on Monday of this week when I explained that I personally think we could be going as low as 12,000 here, as low as 11,000 I should say, for the NASDAQ 100. Now why? Well, that's because we broke this supportive area which was around 12,600 to 12,500, and I said if we break below there then I think the next stop is 11,000. Why 11,000? Well, that's because that's an area where we found support dating all the way back to September 2020. Let me just put that white line there. But also there is another reason. It's clear to me now that we're now trading in an ABC correction pattern. Big question is how low do we go on this C pattern? Is it going to be a big ABC correction, or is it just going to be a minor one? And my personal belief is that we are going to 11,000 due to the fact I expect this ABC pattern to basically trade the same distance as it did here on the A leg. So if we just take that and we bring it down from the B leg, where does that get us? Well, that gets us down to roughly at those lows around 11,400-ish. So that's an area where I really do anticipate the NASDAQ 100 to trade down to. We did pretty much get there during today's trading session. We went as low as 11,700, so we're only around 300 points away, guys, from achieving this full distance ABC correction. And I think this roughly, I don't really want to give you an exact price because it's always it's very difficult to pick the bottom of the market. So I'm not going to go ahead and say we're definitely going to bounce at this certain area, but what I do believe is that we will bounce between 11,400 and 11,000. I think this is an area where buyers will hop back into the market due to the fact the RSI is also approaching that oversold territory. So from a technical perspective, things are looking positive. I think that we are starting to come to the end of this downturn. The big question, guys, is whether this is an ABC correction or whether it's just another leg lower. Hopefully it is that correction. I think from June onwards we will start to see a nice rebound in the markets and go and at least retest those all-time highs going into December of this year. I am bullish. I do have faith in the stock market. You only have to kind of zoom out and look at the longer term picture to understand why that is. Sure, downturns like this do occur. It's painful, I get it. People lose a lot of money, including myself. I'm not going to come out here on YouTube and lie and say that I've not lost anything this year so far, because that's not right. I have lost a significant amount of money this year, but I'm an investor as well. So I'm also trading for the next 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 years ahead, and I'm very confident that the NASDAQ 100 this time next year or the year after will be a lot higher than where it currently is trading at this moment in time. And you only as I just mentioned, you only have to really zoom out, as the old saying goes, if in doubt zoom out, and you will soon understand why I am so bullish on the US stock market in the medium to longer term.